Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you MacBook Pro 2012 to 2015 MacBook Pro Retina. The LCD is cracked at the bottom. As I'm going to replace it, I'm going to share with you how it's easy DIY and you can save a lot of amount of money, and best of all, you can save your MacBook Pro. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So I'll show you at the bottom. If we look at, see how the screen, it's still usable, but it's very annoying and you don't feel good by using a broken or cracked LCD. I received the part and we're going to replace it. I bought this one as a refurb, and this is the used one, so we're going to replace it. The first step will be we're going to shut down the computer. On the back of MacBook Pro, we're going to open all those screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after removing all these screws, we're going to lift up the back plate. It's very important since we opened it. So we're going to clean off the dust prior to putting it back. And the same thing, if we look at on the battery and the fan is very clogged up, so we're going to brush them off. So that way it will run cooler and better. So we're going to remove the cable. You lift this one, opens the lock, and then you pull it. And same thing on the antennas, we're going to pop those open. You can use your fingernail or you can use a pry tool or scribe, whatever easy for you. The reason I'm using a fingernail so that you can see in the video. So on this one you push it from both sides and it will come out. You take this seal out. So we're going to lift this rubber, and underneath we're going to find the screws, and there is another one on this side. We're going to lift it up, and now we're going to remove these screws. So we're going to use screwdriver, which is a T8, and we're going to remove these 3 screws from this side and 3 from that side. These are hinges screws. This screw is attached to this antenna. After removing screws, then we're going to lift the hinge. Then there is one screw right underneath. One on that side and one on this side. These are really tiny screws, and please make sure that you keep it in safe place. Don't lose them. So this is the hole of the screw with a small bracket. We remove the second one as well. Now it's very easy. After removing the screws, we're going to lift the MacBook Pro. So you open the MacBook Pro and it will come out. So that's the old one and it was cracked. Now we're going to get the other LCD and we're going to mount it the same way in a reverse order. Place the hinges. As you see, it just snaps back in, and then we're going to close it, those tiny screws first, and we're going to put it on. You align the bracket to this one and then tighten it. And now we're going to put those hinges down. These hinges going to be a little hard to put it on. Just press it down with the force, and now we're going to put these 3 screws on each side. After installing the screws on those latches, now we're going to put this rubber. After installing everything in a reverse order, now we're going to put the back cover. And then we're going to put all those screws. And this is the last one. Turn it over and we're going to start it. So now we're going to start it. So that's how it's easy and simple to change your broken LCD. So if this video helped you out, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.